Okay, so this question is all about similar triangles. And remember what a similar triangle is. And in similar triangles, all the corresponding angles would be equal. So what do I mean by that? I mean the angles in one triangle would equal the angles in another. Or the sides will be in the same ratio. Okay, so the sides will be in the same ratio. So in that instance, it's going to be easier to prove that the three angles in these triangles are similar. So that's what I'm hoping to do. This question here asks me to prove that the triangle AFE and the triangle ADE are similar. How I'm going to go about this is I'm actually going to first of all prove that the triangle AFE is similar to the triangle AFD. That's what I'm going to first of all prove. Okay, so I've got my two triangles here. The first one, AFE, and the second one, AFD, and I'm going to prove that these are similar first of all. Well, I can see here that this is a perpendicular, so I'm going to mark that in, which means that if this angle here is 90 degrees, I'm looking for a similar angle that's 90 degrees in this triangle here. And I know, okay, that I've been given here a rectangle, and I therefore know that angle A here is also 90 degrees. So that's my first step. Okay, the next thing I'm going to look at is obviously this triangle here has the angle F, okay? We can see it here in this diagram, but the bigger triangle here also has the angle F. So I can conclude that these two angles are the same, okay? And we can conclude that this angle is the same as this angle, and the reason for that is they are the same angle. Finally, I can then conclude that angle FAE is equal to angle FDA because all the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So I've now concluded that this triangle here is similar to this triangle here. Not originally what I was asked, but this will help me. Okay, the next thing I'm going to prove, or try and prove, is that the angle DAE, the triangle DAE, is similar to the triangle FAD. Okay, so I'm going to draw those in. Okay, and what do I know straight away? Well, I know that this is a 90-degree angle. I also know that this top angle here of the larger triangle is a rectangle, so it's obviously 90 degrees. So I can conclude those two angles are equal. I can then also conclude that they both have the angle D in both of them. So therefore, we can assume then that the final angle A, and on this side, angle F, would be the same for the same reason as above. They must give you 180 degrees. So if I'm to write all that down, and you write that down very similar to the way I've done it up here, you would then come to the conclusion that triangle DAE, so DAE, this triangle, and the bigger triangle here are similar. And so now that we've proved that this triangle is similar to the big triangle, and this triangle is similar to the big triangle, we can actually conclude that this triangle is similar to this triangle. In maths, we use our three symbols for therefore triangle AFE and triangle DAE are similar. In your test, a lot of people started straight into figuring out were these two similar to each other, and they weren't, okay? You couldn't find it that way. So what you needed to do was you had to prove that this triangle was similar to the big triangle, and this triangle was similar to the big triangle, therefore they were similar to each other.